Hi, so in this video I shall be showing you three methods in which you can execute this project. So the project name is visualize plots. So this is part one, and the second one is going to be part two, and third one is going to be a little bit related to building UI inside the Excel file, inside any Excel project. So coming to this, so you basically have to create a folder corresponding to a Excel file, and you can put the scripts over here. I mean, so this I've broken it down into three files, the Python scripts, and there is going to be one executable. So if you are going to see in the if you'll be seeing in the I mean, from an operator point of view, so you will just be able to see this. You can also highlight hidden hide this folder as well. Yeah, and okay, so yeah, so this is what any operator or sort of user in your company organization will be seeing. So one has to just press this, or else one has to just open the Excel file and corresponding to, I'll be showing all of it one by one. So starting with, so let's say if someone wants to just press the executable, so this is the method. So wait for a while. Yeah, and there, so in the command it opens the Excel file. You can see in the Excel file, and corresponding the charts are open. So this is chart number 1, chart number 2, and chart number 3, and it closes the Excel file as well. So once you can find that if there is no error, so it is going to just ask to press enter key to continue, or else it will show the error and then ask, and then it will show the prompt to press enter key. So this is what it is, method 1. Coming to method 2, so this is the Excel file. One can open the Excel file and just close it. It's not needed. It was basically earlier, we forced it to close, so that is why it was showing the previous recovered files on the left panel. So this is sheet 1, this is sheet 2, it's the run code. So I just have to press the run button and wait for a few moments. In the meanwhile, I can, yeah, so yeah, so basically the two plots have been created. I actually pressed Control plus new window. So this is the plot 1, and this is the plot 2, plot 3. Okay, so once more, let me just close this and this as well. Just, yeah, so let me do it again. So you can find that this is the plot 1, plot 2, and plot 3. I will be explaining all these plots in detail, don't worry about it. So this is what the method 2 is going to look like. Method 3 is basically, if you, while you are running the code, you would like to sort of run it from the code itself. So this is the script file. So if you do build from here, let's see what it is going to do. So yeah, it is going to check whether the file is open or not. If the file is open, so it would actually fetch the data, required data from the respective sheets, and it is going to plot the three respective plots. So these are the three methods in which you can finish it up. So that's it for now. Thank you.